All the people. Hello everyone. Alright, so I am finally back in my trading journey with a new 10k account, and the journey starts now, today, of the 10k, and I have to pass my first two phases in order to get to the funded stage, right? So, and I'm using funding pips pro form this time, and let's dive into it. And I hope that we're gonna have a very good journey, very impressive and full of lessons. All right, so let's head on to it and let's start analyzing this Euro USD. So we're gonna start from the very bigger time frame, maybe weekly or daily. Let's start from the weekly one. All right, so we are in this week. We have just recently taken a very solid sell side liquidity below these lows. Yeah. And there's this very big expansion from here to here. We are currently at the OTE level below the discount of this expansion from here to here, right? And we have taken the sell side liquidity as well. So I'll be, you know what, I'll be really expecting market to start going higher for now, because we have taken the sell side liquidity, we are below the 50% range of this expansion, and we are respecting this OTE level. So on the weekly time frame, if you ask me, just for the weekly time frame, we are bullish. Let's go to the daily one. And in the daily one, our range will be from here to here. And as you can see in this consolidation range, we only have this fair value gap on the daily time frame, right? There's only one fair value gap, and that is a significant fair value gap. We first went higher, and then we came down, then went higher, then came down, then went higher, and yeah, that's how. And notice that just yesterday was Tuesday, and we took previous week's high, right? And after taking, we went down, we respects the consequent encouragement of this daily fair value gap. You can see right here, we come down and boom, right there, respecting this daily fair value gap. We are taking the fuels from this fair value gap in order to go more higher. So I feel like we are gonna go for these highs again, and this time we're gonna be taking these equal highs resting above. All right, so yeah, so the only fair value gap is this, right? So we are looking very bullish. And as Monday was a very bearish day, and Tuesday set a target and took some buy side liquidity, and also it retraced, and now the Wednesday starts, and I'm gonna be expecting it to be bullish, and so does the Thursdays, and I'm gonna be expecting Friday to be bearish. All right, so this is how I expect the week should go, and let's see what how it does. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have these fair value gap, as you can see. Market is perfectly respecting this 4-hour fair value gap and the consequent encouragement of this daily fair value gap. So even on the weekly time frame, we are bullish, and even on the daily time frame, we are bullish, and on 4-hour as well. So I'm really gonna be expecting market to, you know what, somehow come back to this consequent encouragement again, and then I might take long position, set my stop loss below this low, and aim for these highs, right? That might be the plan. I'm gonna delete this one for now. There's this fair value gap that I actually want market to, you know, first respect it for now in order to go lower a bit more and retrace, but then I'll be wanting it to market to use this fair value gap as an invariant fair value in order to go higher. So I'm going to be making it purple, and yep. We also took internal sell side liquidity resting below these lows. Yeah, so right. And we are perfectly respecting the OTE level as well. We took the sell side. Now this is the same like same type of scenario that happened in the weekly time frame, right? So that's how you build confidence in your trade that you are going to be taking, right? So it took the sell side. It is perfectly respecting this 4-hour fair value gap. It is respecting the consequent engagement of this daily fair value gap, and it is perfectly respecting the OTE level from this low to that high. And we have a very good opposite side target. We can really expect there is some solid bias arrest above these highs, right? So I am really, really bullish. So I'm gonna be waiting mark to retrace from this low to that high in order for me to get into a trade. So after taking these lows, it also took that higher high, making the ICT 2022 model. That is a very popular model. So we're gonna be using this model in order to get our entry, and we're gonna, let's say, let's see if we have any fair value gaps in the higher time frame in this expansion. Not yet. Yeah, so we have a 30-minute fair value gap over here. This is a good fair value gap. I can just take the trade if it touches the consequent encouragement of this 30-minute fair value gap, right? And we can actually take some trade like this. So yeah, that's gonna be the bias of today's. Let's see what happens. So this is the 9:30 opening of the New York session. I'm gonna be expecting it to go down and retrace, and then at the 10 a.m. I'm gonna be expecting it to go higher then. And there's a news at the 10 a.m. so we're gonna be waiting till the news. Yeah. I recommend taking the trade after the 10 a.m. So we're gonna be waiting for the 10 a.m. Let's see. we are gonna be very patient for our entry, so not gonna force it. Not gonna force it. Yeah, so this candle is really consolidating just right there, which is kind of weird. So we're gonna be waiting. Yeah, so maybe the market won't give me entry. Anyways, we're gonna be waiting. We still have news, so news might give us entry, right? Yeah. Mm, gonna be waiting for the news. 10 minutes till the news come. I think I'm gonna have to remove my thumbnail so y'all can see what I'm goddamn trading. Let's go there. Hello there. Hey. Yeah, you never left my stream, didn't you? I'm finally back, mate. And I'm looking for this long for now. Let's see if we get it. Can you hear me addressing you? Tell me in the chat. Yeah, looking for long. What about you? What is your concern for today? Are you looking for long or short today? Long 15 minutes for like we are same. Oh, all right. That's good. That's good. Yeah, we are mostly same. The market right now is really slow for now. As you can see, there's these candles for real, right? So it'll be better if we wait for this news to come at 10 a.m. And after that, I'll be expecting it to retrace a bit from this low to that high, and then I'll enter. Let's see. The red box. Where is the red box? Oh, this. You mean this one? Yeah, this is the 4-hour fair value gap. This one. I want market to use this fair value gap to go higher. Yeah, it's a 4-hour one. Yep. I really cannot take any trade right now for real, because we gotta have to wait for the retracement. Damn, all right. We we're still gonna be waiting for the retracement. No entry until the retracement. Not gonna enter if there is no retracement. Hmm. Thirty seconds until the news. I am not sure if this news is gonna be powerful or not, but we're gonna hope for a retracement. Yeah, no entry until, I mean, only there's only entry when it retraces, right? No entry if there is no retracement. Okay, so the body closed below this 4-hour fair value gap. Hmm. Yeah, I was really feeling like it's not gonna be so powerful news. After all, it's a Fed chair. Well, It might not give us the entry today, but I'm not sure. Tomorrow is much more high probability day. I love Thursdays in trading. No, I I just bought a new account today, yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do the phases, the test phases. Not funded yet. I did get funded previously, but I blew it for real. Damn, that's life for real. Yeah, I only trade Euro USD in every session, in London session and in New York session. Only Euro USD, nothing else. Yeah, so market is really slow, and I feel like it's not gonna give us the entry, or the time is gonna run out of the session, so we cannot really enter. Really slow. I don't like this slow. Mm, yeah, it's too slow. I don't think we're gonna get any entry today. We might we might get it tomorrow. Otherwise, if it had retraced, this was a very nice setup. Really. Damn, brother. Really, it's so boring and slow today. I mean, I just came, man. I came after a lot of days. It should have showed me some welcome. It's a profit. I use a lot of entry models. Yeah, ICT 2022 is a very good entry model, and also OTE levels and invariant fair value gaps. So these entry models are pretty good. Yeah, I use these ones. God damn, it's so slow. Same entry. Yeah, 15-minute change instead of delivery. Yep. Yeah, that is a good one. Yeah. So I just came today, and now my journey has started, and I hope no break comes in my journey now, because I don't want to take any breaks. I wanna keep focusing on my trading in these months that are left of 2026 for real. Wow, now look at that. Now it's trying to make the low of the candle. That is really weird. We can still get entry if before 10:30 we hit this contact encouragement, the retracement. Damn, didn't make the low of it, and the next candle opens. Okay, okay, okay. Market is doing this weird. Just a really weird day of the market. Holy sheesh, man. Look at that. We are stacking some towers. Like, god damn, without even making the low of these candles. This is weird. Some great stuff you gotta see in the market every single day, mate. That's how you do it. Isn't that a little bit weird? So I really don't think we're gonna get any entry today. We're gonna have to be waiting for tomorrow, and tomorrow is a very good day. I love Thursdays in trading. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, am I taking it easy? Let's see. God damn it. Some crazy shit we're seeing today. Market is not going higher than this highs. Weird. Hmm. Damn, brother. It's just you who's watching my stream. Only you. Thank you very much, though. Yeah, it just that is actually weird. All right. So one, two, three, and four. Four times it hit that, but still it couldn't make it upward. So today is a very weird session. It's 10:15 and it's about to close in the 5 minutes. So, and then 10:30 candle is gonna start. All right. I don't think there's gonna be any entry for now. So market is really weird today, as you guys can see. Yeah, we are not taking trade today. So yeah. It's all right. We're gonna come tomorrow, and tomorrow is much high probability day, and I love Thursday, and I really strongly hope that tomorrow we don't lose. Ah, you gotta fix that, Mike. All right, so I'm gonna be ending my stream now because there's no trade anymore, and we're gonna come by and tomorrow and look for trades, right? So hope you guys liked it, and if you learned something from it, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna be coming tomorrow as well for the stream and in the incoming days, daily, regularly. So, yep, that's gonna be it for today. Hope you guys liked it. Peace out. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell icon so y'all can get notified. Peace out.